not a good thing to see a father of 4, 3, 2 trying to manipulate a little girl. Hello guys, welcome back to the Washes YouTube channel. Today we have a sweet and educative topic that we're going to discuss, and it's about the untold story about campus. They need you to support them. You need not to stigmatize them. What if